Hey friends, welcome back to Rabi Hobby, your ultimate destination for delicious recipes. Today we are cooking up a storm with a classic dish, Baingan Bharta Dhaba style. But wait, what exactly does Dhaba style means? Well, stick around and I will spill the beans. Let's jump on it. Take two eggplants and make slits all around them. Stuff the slits with garlic cloves and green chilies. Baigan bharta is a beloved Indian dish made from roasted eggplant. And when we say dhaba style, we are talking about the rustic, homely flavor you would find at roadside eateries, known as dhabas. These places serve up hearty, soul satisfying meals that pack a punch of flavor. Wrap the eggplant in foil paper and place them in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, remove the eggplants from the oven, cut off the top portion and peel the skin. Now let me take you on a journey through time. Legend has it that Bagan Bharta traces its root back to the Punjab region in India, where farmers would roast eggplants over open flames after a long day's work. The charred, smoky flavor became synonymous with comfort food, and thus Bagan Bharta was born. Place the roasted eggplant in a container and mash it well using a fork or potato masher. Chop one onion, one tomato, and coriander stems. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan until it starts smoking. Add cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida to the hot oil. Now add the chopped onions and cook until they turn translucent and tender. Stir in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften. Add the mashed eggplant to the pan and mix well with the onion tomato. Season with salt to taste and mix until everything is well combined. Transfer the Baingan Bharta to a serving dish. Serve hot with tandoori roti or naan bread. And there you have it. Your delicious Dhaba style Baingan Bharta is ready to be enjoyed. And that's a wrap for today's recipe. Hope you enjoyed diving into the flavors and stories behind Baingan Bharta Dhaba style. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Rabi Habi for more mouth-watering recipe. Remember, your feedback means the world to me. So drop your suggestions in the comments below. And hey, if you're in New Jersey and want to be my taste guest for the next video, let me know. Until next time, Alvida and happy cooking.